All right, Perth. Well, this is the most recommended place for steaks so far, according to my TikTok. Went here last week or the week before, can't remember. Go in, got the dry ager at the front door. Nice environment. Got here before everyone else. They had a couple of steak specials, but I went with the menu one just cause. First time doing it. So this was a 300-gram sirloin. Comes with chips, onion rings. I got pepper sauce, but you can choose a bunch of sauces, including béarnaise, which I thought I might go to. Big thicky. Actually, these onion rings look a bit anemic, but they held together well. Chips pretty standard. I think I just said cook it how you want. Fucking juicy, really well rested. I loved the sauce. Tasty, tasty. Highly recommend.